To the west now, residents of Westmoreland have taken to the streets for a second straight day, mounting roadblocks, demanding that roadways in that parish are fixed immediately. TVJ's Lana Franklin has details.
From as early as 5 o'clock Tuesday morning, residents blocked the major thoroughfares some 5 miles from Whithorn to Framehill to Caledonia to Darliston in Westmoreland. Residents, including taxi operators, say the poor road condition has become unbearable. On Monday, several roadways were blocked, preventing hundreds of students and commuters from moving about freely. It's the same for today. The communities affected since yesterday also include Ashton, Barnet Side, Content, Holy Hill, Cairncurran and Darliston.
It has been several years from I'm a little child. We haven't seen good road here, so we had to come out and protest for it. Each time we come out, we don't see anyone coming to represent us. So if they continue telling us they will be coming shortly, and no one hasn't come out as yet.
I am also an owner of the vehicle that operates within the constituency of Sov to Darliston. And the condition of the road, it is very dissatisfying to the public, to the users.
Councillor for the Darliston Division, Jerome Bacchus, said he has been aware of the ongoing problem, but listed a lack of funding as the main issue why the deteriorating road condition has not been addressed.
Well, you just have some patience, you know. As I said earlier, I speak to the NWA manager and he acknowledged that the funding is ready, and we just have to have a good patience.
Lana Franklin, TVJ News.